Hello, brilliant minds, and welcome to Brainetainment, your one-stop destination for fascinating facts and engaging knowledge. Here, we unravel the mysteries of our world, from the tiniest atoms to the vast cosmos, all through the lens of science. Our aim? To make the complex simple, the obscure clear, and the unknown known, with content that's as interesting as it is easy to understand. Today, we dive into the intriguing world of human physiology, focusing on why the eye has the fastest muscles in the human body. To appreciate the speed of the eye's muscles, let's first understand the basic structure and function of the human eye. The human eye, often likened to a high-tech camera, is an organ of immense complexity and precision. At the front, we have the cornea, a clear window that allows light to enter. It's like the camera lens, focusing the incoming light on the retina, which sits at the back of the eye. The retina, our biological film, is a thin layer of tissue containing millions of light-sensitive cells. These cells capture light signals and convert them into electrical signals, which are then sent to the brain through the optic nerve. But what makes the eye swivel and focus? Enter the eye muscles, the unsung heroes of our visual system. 6 external muscles control the eye's movements, while the circular ciliary muscle adjusts the shape of the lens to focus light correctly. Now, imagine darting your gaze between 2 points or following a fast-moving object. It's these eye muscles that ensure these movements are swift and precise, allowing us to keep our world in focus. The eye muscles are constantly adjusting the position and focus of our eyes, even when we're not consciously aware of it. They're like the tireless conductors of an orchestra, ensuring we get the best visual performance at all times. With this basic understanding, we're ready to explore why eye muscles are considered the fastest in the human body. Now, when we say the fastest muscles, what exactly do we mean? Speed, in the context of muscles, doesn't necessarily equate to the physical distance covered in a given time. Instead, it refers to the muscle's ability to respond to stimuli, or its reaction time. Let's consider a simple scenario. You're walking down a bustling street, and suddenly a cyclist zips past you. Almost instantaneously, your eyes track the cyclist's movement, and your brain processes the information, ensuring you don't collide with the cyclist. This rapid response is thanks to your eye muscles, which are among the fastest in the human body. So, when we talk about the fastest muscles, we're referring to reaction time, the time it takes for a muscle to respond to a stimulus. This is a crucial factor in how we interact with and perceive the world around us. Now let's delve a bit deeper into this concept. When a stimulus, like the cyclist in our example, enters our field of vision, it triggers a signal. This signal travels through our nervous system, reaching our brain. The brain then processes this information and sends a response signal to our eye muscles, telling them how to move. This entire process, from detecting the stimulus to moving our eye muscles, happens in the blink of an eye, no pun intended. It's a testament to the efficiency of our nervous system, but more specifically to the speed of our eye muscles. The eye muscles' speed isn't just about moving our eyes quickly, it's about processing visual information rapidly, allowing us to react to our surroundings in real time. This speed enables us to perform everyday tasks, from reading this text to catching a ball, all while ensuring our survival in potentially hazardous situations. The speed of eye muscles is crucial for our visual perception, but what makes them so fast? Stay tuned as we delve into the science behind the speed of our eye muscles in the next section. The speed of our eye muscles comes down to a combination of unique characteristics. Let's delve into the science behind the speed of our eye muscles. Our eyes are powered by 6 tiny muscles, collectively known as the extraocular muscles. These muscles are incredibly specialized, and they differ from our other muscles in several important ways. Firstly, the type of muscle fibers that make up the extraocular muscles are significantly different from those found in the rest of our body. These muscles are predominantly composed of what we call fast twitch fibers. As the name suggests, these fibers are designed for speed. They contract quickly, allowing for rapid, precise movements. This is in contrast to slow twitch fibers, which are built for endurance rather than speed. Now, the speed of these muscles also comes from the incredibly high nerve supply they receive. Each extraocular muscle is innervated by countless motor neurons, providing a constant stream of electrical signals. This high nerve density allows for fine control of eye movements, and it also means that signals from the brain can reach the muscles extremely quickly. Another fascinating aspect of the eye's speed is the constant involuntary movements it makes, known as saccades. These are rapid, jerky movements that our eyes make as they shift focus from one point to another. Even when we think we're looking steadily at one point, our eyes are actually making tiny saccadic movements. These saccades are the fastest movements produced by the human body. Now, you might be wondering, why do our eyes need to move so quickly? Well, these movements allow our eyes to rapidly scan our environment, taking in information from different points in our field of vision. This is crucial for tasks like reading or recognizing faces. Moreover, the speed of our eye movements also plays a key role in our perception of motion. When something moves in our field of vision, our eyes need to move quickly to keep it in focus. This is known as the pursuit movement. If our eye muscles were slower, moving objects would appear blurry. So how fast are these eye movements? Well, during a saccadic movement, the eye can rotate at speeds of up to 700 degrees per second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. To put it in perspective, if our hands could move at the same speed, we would be able to wave goodbye 20 times in just 1 second. In conclusion, the speed of our eye muscles is due to a combination of unique characteristics. Their specialized muscle fibers, their high nerve supply, and the constant saccadic movements they make. These features allow our eyes to move rapidly and precisely, taking in information from our environment and enabling us to respond quickly to changes. So, these unique features make our eye muscles the fastest, but what does this mean in our daily lives? The speed of our eye muscles has several practical implications that we often take for granted. Think about it this way: when we read, our eyes move quickly across the page, darting from one word to the next. This isn't a slow, laborious process. It's rapid, almost imperceptible. This is largely due to our eye muscles' speed, allowing us to absorb information at an astonishing pace. Without such quick movements, reading would become a painstakingly slow process, potentially limiting our ability to consume and comprehend large amounts of text. But the implications go beyond reading. Consider sports, for example. Whether you're a professional athlete or a casual player, your performance largely depends on your eye's ability to track fast-moving objects. From the split-second decision to swing at a baseball to skillfully maneuvering a soccer ball around opponents, the quickness of your eye muscles is key. And it's not just about sports or reading. Let's consider something as simple as scanning our surroundings. When we enter a room, our eyes instinctively sweep across the space, gathering information about who's there, what's happening, where the exits are, and so on. This quick automatic survey is made possible by our eye muscles' speed, allowing us to assess our environment in an instant. Moreover, the speed of our eye muscles is crucial for our reaction times. When a car suddenly brakes in front of us or a child runs out into the street, it's our eyes that first register the danger and send the signal to our brain. The quicker our eyes can move, the faster we can respond, potentially averting disaster. So you see, the speed of our eye muscles plays an integral role in our daily lives. It's a testament to the remarkable design of the human body, where even the smallest of muscles can have a profound impact on our experiences. Without the speed of our eye muscles, our visual experience would be drastically different. And that, folks, is something surely worth a moment of appreciation. To sum up, our eye muscles are the fastest in our body due to their unique structure, high nerve supply, and the presence of rapid, involuntary movements. We dove deep into the marvel of the human eye, exploring its intricate design and the role of the 6 extraocular muscles that enable us to perceive and react to the world around us in the blink of an eye. Then we delved into the science that underpins this speed, unraveling the mystery of neural pathways, synaptic connections, and the complex interplay of muscular contractions. This understanding underscores the practical implications of our eyes' speed in our daily lives, from reading these very words to appreciating the beauty of a sunset or catching a flying baseball. In essence, our eyes are not just the windows to our souls, but also the fastest muscles that facilitate our interaction with the world. Thank you for joining us today on Braintainment. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content that makes learning fun and easy. Until next time, keep your minds curious and your eyes fast.